CMPLT complete नाम है का complete NPLD and of FCFS and Fifo. Okay, and let's begin FCFS first come first serves with the simplest scheduling algorithm used in the operating system. It is the scheduling technique that forces the request of the CPU is allocated to the CPU first is follow the basic principle of a queue. The process that arrive first will be executed first and subsequent process will be executed. Number of the primitive once the process start execution it cannot be stopped until it's finished. Order of the arrival process of are executed in order they arrive in the ready queue. Fairness, every process get a turn in order to it arrive. However, it may lead to the poor resource utilization due to the convey effect when long process delay all the subsequent shorter simple implementation. FCFS is easy to implement with the queue data structure. Advantage of FCFS simplicity, easy to implement and understand fairness. All the processes are treated equally in order of their arrival. Disadvantage convey effect. A long process delay all other the shorter process. Waiting behind it non-primitive it cannot handle urgent or high priority process efficiently. Poor average waiting time FCFS often lead to the higher and average waiting time compared to the other algorithm like shortest job next or the round robin process arrival time and the burst time. P1, P2, P3, P4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 8, 6, P1, P2, P3, P4. Now P1, P2, P3, P4, 0, 5, 8, 6, 12. Calculation waiting time P1, 0, P2, 5, P3, 8, P4, 16. Turnaround time P1, 5, P2, 8, P3, 16, P4, 22. Average waiting time 0, 5, 8 plus 16 by 4 is equal to 7.25. Average turnover around time 5 plus 8 plus 16 plus 22 by 4 12.75 meter per second. Now introduction FIFO first come first out. FIFO first come first out is the concept derived from the King system and it is widely used in the various computing contexts including scheduling, memory management and storage. FIFO works on the principle of that element added to the queue is the first one to be removed in operating system. FIFO is commonly associated with the page replacement algorithm where the page has been in the memory for the longest replaced first when the new page is added characteristic of the FIFO replacement simplest approach replace the oldest page in the memory regardless of its use. No usage consideration does not take into the accurate frequency of SS regency. Queue structure operate on a queue where the oldest page is in the front. Advantage of the FIFO is implementation simple and straightforward. Logic using a queue predictable behavior. The order of the replacement is consistent and easy to follow. Disadvantage of the FIFO badly annually increasing the number of the page frame can sometimes lead to more fault. No awareness of the page usage. A frequently used page may be replaced simply because of it was loaded earlier. Example of the FIFO page replacement page reference string 0710230423002 page in frame 770701201201301 page fault S no S total page fault 9 comparison between FCFS and the FIFO aspect. FCFS is scheduling FIFO page replacement process scheduling memory page management execute the first write process replace the oldest page in the memory. Advantage fair and the simple to implement easy to implement. Disadvantage convey effect and poor average waiting time badly enemy and no user awareness. More of you will read more. Extended introduction FCFS is the only fundamental scheduling algorithm, but it also performs the basic for understanding more complex algorithm. Below we have expanded. Okay, batch processing system FCFS is ideal for the batch processing. Also print queue, also customer service networking limitation, poor resource utilization, lack of priority starvation risks, execution order based on the arrival time, based on the burst times like fixed quantum. Now the primitive non-primitive can be primitive, non-primitive, fairness, medium, short, low, high. Like generally high lower than FCFS, medium best for batch system. Where the jobs are vary in size, interactive system can't be effect. A single long process can delay all the other. FCFS cannot handle the interactive process efficiently despite of simplicity. FCFS is not used in the modern operating system where responsiveness and priority-based execution are crucial. Application of FCFS operating system use the older OSCS for the or the simple system or the memory management requirement are the basic cache management simple cache system may use the FIFO to determine which item to replace. Hardware buffer FIFO offer are commonly used in the hardware like printer or the disk IO to store the data temporarily. I does the FIFO work in the page replacement step to step. Page reference string 1234 to 15432141 number of frame 3 page in the frame 1 1 2 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 2 3 4 2 1 page fault S no S. Page 1 is loaded into the empty frame. Page 2 is loaded into an empty. Page 3 into empty frame. Page 1 is replaced by page 4 oldest. Page 2 is already in the frame. Page 3 is replaced by page 1. Advantage of FIFO in the replacement. Page replacement, ease of replacement. FIFO use the straightforward queue mechanism that makes it easy to implement predictive behavior. The replacement order is fixed, making debugging and analysis clear. Disadvantage of FIFO in page replacement, badly anomaly. Only advanced algorithm like FIFO may showcase the increased page fault with the increase in the time. Second chance algorithm and enhancement of the FIFO that check whether a page has been used to recently before replacement it. Collog algorithm, a circular queue based variation that optimize the FIFO by considering the page usage also more. In-depth expansion strength of FCFS simple and it is easy to understand. FCFS is the easiest scheduling algorithm to implement due to its sequential nature, making it suitable for the beginner and the simpler system. Fairness, all the processes are treated equally with the execution order based solely on the arrival time. No starvation, unlike the priority based scheduling, no process is left waiting independently. All the processes are strapped on the time. Drawbacks of a FCFS can be effect a single large process can be blocked, smaller process behind it, reducing the system through output. No suitable for time management system. FCFS lacks the prescription, which is essential for the modern interactive system. Higher waiting time, especially in case with varying process size, longer processes can cause the delay for the shorter one, resulting in increased average waiting time also. Detailed example for the FCFS process P1, P2, P3 burst time. P1 P1 is equal to 24, P2 is equal to 3, P3 equals to 3. Arrival time P1 0, P2 0, P3 0. Time 0 to 24, 24 to 27, 27 to 30 process P1, P2, P3. Turnaround time 10. Completion arrival time P1 2 24 minus 0 24 27 minus 0 27 turn 30 minus 0 30 waiting time 24 minus 24 0 27 minus 3 24 30 minus 3 27. In-depth expansion of the FIFO first in first out characteristic of the FIFO queue based structure. FIFO uses a queue to determine the order of execution or the replacement. The first element in the queue is removed first, when replacement is required, non-primitive nature. Once the process start execution, it runs until the completion without interruption. Application beyond the page replacement, memory buffer in networking packet are forces restored in order system. Advantage of the FIFO in page replacement algorithm. Page frame 70 701 201 203 203 no yes. Page 7 loaded in the first frame, page 0 loaded in the second frame, page 1 loaded in the third frame, page 3 replaced oldest by page 2, page 0 is ready in the frame, page 1 replaced by page 3, page 0 is already in the frame, page 2 is replaced by page 4, page 0 is replaced by page 2. Advantage of the FIFO in the differential scenario, simplicity, straightforward to implement and debug, consistency ensure that the older data is always processed or replaced before the newer data. Disadvantage of the FIFO in comparison to other algorithms, badly anomaly increase the number of the frame does not always reduce the page fault, making FIFO unpredictable in some scenario. No frequency awareness, page frequently accessed may be still be replaced, leading in the inefficiency also. May more More detailed information, fasting for serve is scheduling worked on the FCFS. FCFS scheduling method, arrival time, burst time. Now the Gantt chart representation P1 0 to 4, 4 to 9, 9 to 11, P4. Okay, let's see 0 to 4 here. Now completion time P1 4, P2 9, now P3 11, and P4 12. Turnaround time 4 minus 0 equals to 4. Then P2 8 minus 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. P3 11 minus 2 equals to 9. Then P4 11 12 minus 3 equals to 9. Now the waiting time and turnaround time P1 4 minus 4 0. P2 8 minus 5 3. P3 9 minus 2. And then P4 9 minus 1 8. Average time 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 by 4 7.5 meter per second. 0 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8 by 4 4.5. Now first out page replacement 1 2 1 2 3. Yeah, so page 1 is loaded into the first frame, page 2 is loaded into the second frame, page 3 is loaded into the third frame, page 4 is loaded into the first frame, page 2 is already in the frame, page 1 replace the oldest. Page 5 replace the oldest, page 2 replace, page 4 replace, page 1 replace, total fault 9. Key observation Fifo performance issue. Fifo does not consider the frequency of the page access, brandly anomaly, adding more frame, nature aspect, data structure used, goal fairness, process scheduling algorithm, memory management, queue, minimize the page fault. Okay, this much for today.